Hammer nail side job.
Daughter's broken faceplate and outlet.
Safety first, turn off breaker. Tools you might need: 6-in-1 screwdriver, needle nose pliers, wire strippers, remove faceplate, inspect wiring pattern, remove receptacle, get rid of the old shit, install the new shit, put back in box, install new faceplate, turn breaker back on, check that it works.
Drink beer.
And if you like what you see, please subscribe and consider donating by clicking the link in the About section of my channel.